Solve the equation 8 to the power of x plus 1 minus 2 to the power of 3x minus 1 is equals to 120. The first thing to notice is we can rewrite this first part of the expression in terms of 2 to the power of something. So 8 is the same as 2 to the power of 3. That's 8, and then we still have x plus 1 minus 2 to the power of 3x minus 1, and this is all equals to 120. Then remember that when I give you x to the power of a and then to the power of b, this is the same as doing x and then a times b. So in our case, this is the same as doing 2 to the power of 3 times x plus 1 minus 2 to the power of 3x minus 1. This is all equal to 120. So when you expand the powers of 2 here, we get 2 to the power of 3x plus 3 minus 2 to the power of 3x minus 1, and this is equals to 120. Now at this point, you need to remember that when I give you x to the power of a times x to the power of b, this is equals to x to the power of a plus b. When the bases are the same and the sign is multiplication, you add the powers. So in our case, we need to rewrite this term and this other term so that they are individual. So for the first term, we are going to have 2 to the power of 3x times 2 to the power of 3. Now when this term is collapsed, it goes back to the previous one we had, and then minus 2 to the power of 3x times 2 to the power of negative 1. This is equals to 120. So we've basically just rewritten the equation. Notice that here we have 2 to the power of 3x and we also have it here. So it is the common factor. Let's factor it out. So this becomes 2 to the power of 3x, then into brackets. In the first expression, we'll be left with 2 to the power of 3 minus, for the second one, we'll be left with 2 to the power of negative 1, and this is equals to 120. Now, this is the same as 2 to the power of 3x, then 2 to the power of 3, that is 8, minus 2 to the power of negative 1. Remember that when I give you x to the power of negative a, this is the same as doing 1 over x to the power of a. So in this case, 2 to the power of negative 1 is the same as 1 over 2 to the power of 1, which is just 2. And this is equals to 120. So now, this is the same as 8 over 1, right? So the LCM of 1 and 2, that's going to be 2. 2 divided by 1, 2, then times 8, that's going to be 16, minus 2 divided by 2, that's going to be 1, then times 1, that's going to be 1. So that's the inner expression. We still have 2 to the power of 3x here. This is equals to 120. Now, this is the same as 2 to the power of 3x times 16 minus 1, that's going to give you 15 over 2, and this is equals to 120. So to get rid of the 15 over 2, we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by 2 over 15 times 2 over 15. By 15, 1, by 15, 1, by 2, 1, by 2, 1. So on the left side of the equation, we are left with 2 to the power of 3x is equals 2. On the right side, by 15, this is 1, by 15, this is going to give us 8. Then you have 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is going to give us 16. And then notice that you can rewrite this 16 in terms of 2 to the power of something. So 2 to the power of 3x is equals to 16 is the same as 2 to the power of 4. At this point, you notice that the bases are the same. When the bases are the same, it means the powers are also the same. So we equate the powers. So this means 3x is equals to 4. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 3. By 3, 1, by 3, 1. On the left side, we have x is equals to 4 over 3. 4 over 3 is the same as 1 over 3. So that is the value of x. So x is equals to 1 and 1/3. So that's the answer.